I came to work for Perkins because I had a passion for engines. I've always had a passion for them, and I wanted to work for a company that had a passion about engines, about making them better, about pushing them into the future, and Perkins has been a great home for me in that aspect.
From a product perspective, we have the most comprehensive product lineup in the organisation and in the industry. We take that understanding of the product and we build that into what it is that our customers' machines operate and the environment they work upon, and ultimately how they work in the field and how they're developed to meet those real-life situations. Our customers are global, our customers are diverse, and through the product range that we have and the product understanding, we also have a global network of manufacturing facilities that give our customers the right lead times and the right requirements in the territories that they operate and they also manufacture in.
So globally, in every one of our manufacturing facilities, we use CPS to really run the business. One of the best things it does is ensure that we're not out of balance. So it's all about striking the balance between taking care of your people, quality, the velocity, and cost. And worldwide, you go into any of our factories and you'll see the same approach, the same common language, and it really does start with taking care of people and taking care of quality.
So for us, making sure we follow that same common approach, common recipe, and making sure we have the same process controls throughout the world is absolutely critical.
Every detail is important, from the very start of our product to the very end. And every single one of our operators understands that detail. They understand their part in what we do and the part that it plays at the end customer. That what they do, from tightening a bolt to the correct torque to the correct component going on the engine, makes a difference to the person who's using the equipment on the other end.
We focus on the detail because every detail matters, from engineering, design, validation and test, through to how we specify how the product's built in the factory and how it's installed in customers' machines. We work very closely with those customers so that we are constantly looking for ways to improve the way that they engineer their machines and result in a better product for them and for us.
We like to be close to our customers, not just geographically, but also making sure we're integrated with their business model. It's important for us to know what makes them successful, and also, more importantly, what makes their end users successful.
Innovation and technology are so critical to what we do every day as we manufacture our engines. It's critical to our ability to problem solve, to meet the customer's needs, to figure out unique and diverse ways to come up with customer solutions.
Every single prototype that we've given to customers has been built in our production facility, and that meant we could get all of our production teams familiar with the product, really test out our production process in a low volume environment before we go to full production, and just spot what doesn't fit together very easily, what's difficult to assemble on the engine, what the finished product looks like. So a lot of work that actually is mimicking the full production line, but we do it offline in a separate site to the facility, and that gives us great quality in manufacturing.
How we build these engines, it really starts with quality. Obviously, we work closely with the product engineers in the design of the engine itself. Our manufacturing engineers convert those designs into very robust processes. And from that point on, it's all about execution.
If a customer requires a new bracket or a new fixture for their application, we can design that fixture, print it on a 3D printer, and then actually use it through our process to prove the design, to give the customer feedback on that design, and we get to do those things very quickly.
We certainly consider our suppliers to be long-term strategic partners. In many cases, we actually have customers and suppliers here together with us in the factory as we develop new engine platforms, or even as we validate their customer solution.
From a diverse thought process, different experiences throughout our company come together to build the very best engines for our customers.
Literally, people's lives do depend on the success and durability and confidence in our products. So for us, having confidence in our manufacturing processes is absolutely critical. We build in quality right throughout the manufacturing process at every stage of assembly. And then we also do a full hot test on every engine as well, making sure that we simulate a customer's application and really making sure that engine will perform as we say it will at the time of validation.